Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Dodge Caravan trunk. First, locate the exterior release button, usually above the license plate. Press it firmly. Alternatively, use your key fob. Press the trunk release button once or twice. After unlocking, simply lift the tailgate manually. It's a straightforward process for quick access to your cargo space. Sometimes you might need to open the trunk from the inside. Look for the emergency release lever, typically a small, glow-in-the-dark handle located inside the trunk lid. Pull this handle firmly to unlatch the trunk. This feature is designed for safety, especially if someone accidentally gets locked inside, providing a quick escape route. If your trunk isn't opening, don't worry. First, check for any objects physically blocking the latch mechanism. Next, ensure your vehicle's battery isn't completely dead, as this can affect electronic releases. Also, inspect the wiring around the latch and release button for any visible damage or disconnections. These simple checks often resolve common issues. Many Dodge Caravans feature a convenient power liftgate. To open it, you can press the dedicated button on your overhead console inside the vehicle. You can also press the exterior handle, and it will open automatically. For remote operation, simply press the trunk release button on your key fob twice. This makes loading and unloading much easier.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.